Sanmanani, welcome to isiZulu First Additional Language. No Miss Ndo. So guys, namhlanje ngifuna ukubuka inkathi yamanje, which is a present tense. So zobuka inkathi yamanje evumayo nenkathi yamanje ephikayo, positive and negative. So uma sikhuluma ke guys ngenkathi yamanje esizulwini esikhathini esiningi we have different formulas of how to create most parts of the speech. So ake siqale ngani inkathi yamanje. I hope you guys can see ngiyazi i-handwriting yami incane. Inkathi yamanje, which is your present tense. Okay, so a present tense ke esizulwini is divided into two. Kukhona esibiza ngokuthi i-long form, leyo ila isuke i-sentence lethu or umusho wethu ugcina khona ngani ngesenzo, which is your verb. And then the other one, it's not a long form, it's where it does not end with the verb. So what is the formula? The formula is, we say subject concord plus uya and plus your verb. Okay, this is inkathi yamanje enjani egcina ngeverb yakho. For instance, example, you say ngi ya dla. Dla is your verb, which means I am eating. Your ngi is your subject concord, and there is the ya that I said we add to make it a long verb. Bese ke siyasuka lapho siya kuphi? Let's make another example. Si ya hamba. Hamba is a verb. Si is your subject concord. So all these sentences, they end with what? A verb, using this formula. Bese siba nenkathi yamanje ene formula ethi subject concord plus verb. So I'll tell you this one ukuthi yenzeka kanjani. So you will see ukuthi we said plus verb, however I did not put a full stop. So instead of saying ngiyadla, you can say ngidla inyama. So there is our verb. Therefore, because it does not end with the verb, we don't have to make it a long verb, say ede uya, because we've already added something else. We can add either an object, we can add a locative, we can add any other figure of speech uma senzale. Or it could be Tina sihamba gebhasi. There is our hamba in the middle. So therefore, I did not make it a long form. Okay. Bese siyabuya ke guys sizobuka inkathi yamanje ephikayo. So inkathi yamanje ephikayo siyibiza ngani yona? Sithi that is your negative present tense. I'm not gonna write like the full word, but it's your negative present tense. In negative present tense, siyenza kanjani ke yona, or how do we do it? So in present tense or in negative present tense, it is solely dependent kuma negative agreement link. So kumele wazi ama negative agreement link akho, because ukuze ucreate any negative form or tense, you need to start by adding a negative agreement link. So in negative agreement formula, or in negative formula for a present tense, it's a plus subject concord plus your verb, however your verb ends with ui. If you look at this one, this was another formula, and this is another formula. These two, they start with the subject concord. However, this one, it starts with ua. What am I talking about? I'm going to take the very same sentence, ngiyahamba. Now I'm going to turn it into a negative. It's no longer going to be ngiyahamba, but remember we said ua, so it means it's going to be a, ngi. So what we do in a negative, if a sentence has a ya, we drop uya wethu. If simshinja a ya we negative. So I'm no longer going to put uya, but I'm going to put my verb. And then you're going to remember something. I said if verb yethu ends with I, which is E in Zulu. So now it's going to be angidli, which means I am not eating. Let's do Tina sihamba ngebhasi. You're still going to write Tina. So the change is going to happen around subject concord and the verb. And it's going to be a si hambi ngebhasi. The rest stays the same. Asihambi ngebhasi. There's your a and there's the a of a verb. And the change happened around here. Okay, so that is how we do in negative agreement link your present tense, or that is how we do in negative present tense. But before we continue doing everything else, I want us to look at in negative agreement link based on in noun class. In noun class ke abanye bazoyibiza ngokuthi izigaba zamabizo. Thina ke sibiza ngokuthi noun class, but it's the same thing, izigaba zamabizo and in noun class. I'm going to erase this. Please bear with me. Hope you have copied this, guys. Okay, now that you have erased, I guess buke ini izigaba zamabizo. Izigaba zamabizo ke guys zibalulekile kakhulu esizulwini because izinto ama-agreement links amaningi are based in you knowing in noun class. So, sizoba ne-table. It's going to be in noun class. And then it's going to be our negative agreement link. We're going to write it here. So guys, the noun class says it's quite long, so it's not going to fit here. So I'm going to do another column here where I'm going to do noun class, and then I'm going to do negative agreement link just to add la ukuzobe kungafithi khona. So izigaba zethu zamabizo, we have umu, that's for people and names that starts with umfana, umfundisi. Negative agreement link, it's aka. The plural of this is aba, abafana, aba. We have nouns that starts with u and names usisi, aka, osisi, aba. We have another umu, but this one is for objects. Umfula, awu, plural of it, imifula, ayi. And then we have nouns that starts with ili, ipeni, ali, the plural of it, amapeni, awa. And then we have ingane, ayi, izingane, azi. We have nouns that starts with isi, isisu, asi, izisu, azi. And then we have usigaba 10, which is ulu, ufudu, alu. And then we have nouns that do not have plurals that starts with ubu, ubu. So ububi, it's abu, And nouns that starts with uku do not have a plural. It's aku. The negative link is aku. So just to do a few examples of what I am talking about or what I am referring to, now you have the word. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do ingane iyakhala. Remember guys, the formula for negative, we had said it's a plus subject concord plus your verb, and your verb ends with I. So we are still doing a negative for a present tense. So this is your present tense. Now let's do a negative. Ingane iyakhala, a baby or a child is crying. Now, ingane is going to stay the same. But now, we had said in. Now we are looking, Gupi, we are looking at our noun. That's what's going to guide us. What is the negative agreement link that we need to put here? So, ingane, it starts with in. Now we go back. There's in. And the negative agreement link is ayi. So, ingane, ayi. We put our verb. Our verb ends with ua. Let's do a second one. Umfula uyagobhoza. Okay, umfula starts with but the for objects, not the for people and names for objects. So the negative agreement link for we're still going to write umfula as is. But now, instead of saying uyagobhoza, here it says you must write awu. And remember what I said about uya, how we drop the ya. So it's going to be, sorry, I used the wrong color. It's going to be awu go bozi. Last one. Let's do the last one. Negative present tense. Ukudla. Okay, I want to write ku, not ku. Ukudla. Kuhlala efilijini. Okay. Ukudla kuhlala efilijini. There we go. Our noun starts with uku. The negative agreement link for uku is aku. So we're still going to write ukudla. It says here we must write aku. And then verb ends with I. And then efilijini. Okay. Ukudla akuhlali efilijini. So guys, that is how we do a present tense positive and a present tense negative. Sigaidwa yini in noun class. So on our next lesson, we're going to be doing a future tense positive and negative. Thank you so much for joining me. See you on our next lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, nisale kahle.